Well, what's going on there, YouTube? What's the date today? Let's see. The rain hike video was 2 days ago, so it's the 9th of April 2013. And you can tell from the last video that's posted up, rain hike. It looked like a nice day, nice and warm, and now we got that going on up here in Rapid City, South Dakota. So we're gonna go on a little adventure. Now, I'm 6'1", but with how some of the snow is, you can tell from the grass over there. From where I'm at right now, this is ridiculous. Sitting here trying to freaking walk all the snow in some areas, see? There. And I'm just out of it again. And we slowly go right back in the drift. Kind of ish. But my main goal, hopefully through this video, is go play out in the ravine. That looks a little fun, huh? Yeah. Oh. I'm going in. Down. Down. That looks like a lot of fun to jump in. Totally want to. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Hopefully this doesn't end too badly. Yeah, let's try it. You see it? Please tell me I don't miss on this one. Oh, I'm going backwards, by the way. Make it 10 times more fun. I want to do that again. That's pretty fun. Kind of wanted to build a trench now. Alright, yeah, I'll be back. So, I totally forgot to charge up on battery life on this thing. This cold is doing a number on it. But after that little jump, I went on the other side of this hill. I started just carving my way in. Just making a little tunnel. Here, I'll climb out. Climb out for you to see what I did. Okay, I jumped out that thing, and I came over here, and I just started building the tunnel. Started building the tunnel in here, if you can see anything. It's like, started just building my way in. But my battery's about to die, so either I'll record. I don't think we're gonna make it out to a ravine this time. Maybe tomorrow I'll shoot a video out there, but I'm gonna finish my tunnel and I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. So I'm really thirsty now, and all I got is Mountain Dew in my coat. So, yeah. Yeah, this is where we're gonna end it. My tunnel just caved in on me. Oh, snap. Oh, that was kind of exhilarating, though. It was fun while it lasted, but I think it's about that time to go inside then. I guess that's my little sign. I got bored, so I wanted to play in the snow and shoot a video. Can't argue with that. I'll check you guys later at a different time.